Hello my wonderful people, welcome back to our channel Commenters Analyzer TV. Yes, so we don't come again with our ogbonge tori from today. My question before I start my video, my question be say, na true say Rita really run away from Monica Lobolobo saga? My people, if una get the answer, abeg no fit to drop the answer for me. I wan really know if Rita really run away from Monica Lobolobo saga, because na wetin we wan talk about today. Na the topic when we hold for hand today, and we go also go through the comment to see wetin people drop. As una know wetin we dey do for this channel, na commenters, na comment we dey go through. We can't talk about the comment. The one we fit still talk, we go talk, and the one we no fit still talk, we go leave out for now. More na judge am. Today video what we go dey do. This post na from Monica Lobolobo, big man wife post. She post this, not the video, that just post. She write up a post and she post the post. Post the post. Mama no laugh me. Post the post. I want yes school. We not go school. So the post when she post is about Rita. Say Rita run. He said Lady Felicia said I will put her where she belong. Hook up brackets. Say thank you, Lady Felicia. That means she dey thank Lady Felicia now. Say Lady Felicia don't pursue Ritoto. Lady Felicia don't pursue Ritoto enter house. My people now really believe say na Lady Felicia na make Rita stop her saga, or na because of her followers na make her stop, or na because of family na make her stop. My people, I go like to see una comment. If una fit drop the comment for me, if una know, una drop the comment. I go like to see una comment, my amazing popori people. My gallant people, I go like to see una comment. So now we go dey go our comment section. We'll see wetin happen for comment section. Monica Lobolobo comment section. We'll see wetin people talk about the post when she post. We not to get a lot of comment section. We not to get comment for here. Now so picture these people go the screenshots. So the little comments when we get from here today, we go talk about my people, we'll talk about the comment when we get from here today. Okay, my people, we'll take the first comment. We'll see wetin they talk about Monica Lobolobo posts. Our first comment, she say, or he say, we don't know who, whether na she or him. The person say, yes, so Iyeki don't really put her to where she belong. She can't laugh. Una really believe say, but for the write up, no say this our people, we too they do no. For the write up, the Iyeki, that is Monica, she say Lady Felicia really say she go put her. You not write anybody in it, but we know who she's talking to. As they say blogger. We be troublemaker. Now we they cause the kasala wey dey social media today. Not be small. But we know who she they thought to say. Felicia really say she will put her in her, put her in where she belong. And really, she can't dey do hook up. She can't put bracket on that. So I'll post this thing. So this person won't answer. This person say yes, so Iyeki don't really put her where she belong. Put her where she belong. Monica not say na she put her. Iyeki Iyeki no say na she put her for where she belong o. Iyeki say na Lady Felicia. So my people, I go leave una. Una drop comments for me. Not just una not just dey watch like watch go. Abeg my people. Una still help me dey subscribe for this channel. Let's grow this channel. Una dey come this channel, una dey watch, but to subscribe come be the big problem. Abeg, una help me dey subscribe on this channel. Na free to subscribe, no be money. So as una dey watch this video, abeg, I want una help me answer this question. Abeg, una no go analyze am. Una no fear. So if na because of Monica make Rita stop her saga for now, or na because of her sister or cousin Felicia make Rita stop her saga, I really want to know if na because of two of them. I want know. So my people, let's go to the next comment. This one say, especially Lady Felicia, the boss lady. Okay, wetin she mean na say, okay, Lady Felicia, the boss lady, still put Rita in her place, as in where she belong. Okay, she no belong to saga group. Is that what these people dey try talk? Say Rita no belongs to saga group. Say she belongs to say she belongs to hook up. Rita, she's good in everything. For my own opinion, she dey good in everything. This saga one I dey do. This saga na just una dey entertain us. If I dey watch saga today, sometimes I no even dey remember to eat. Sometimes I say I wan make video, I no go even remember to make video. I just focus on the saga. So na entertainment una dey do, and una dey get una money. So my people, let's go to the next comment. So the next comment say, na hook up she come run to. She never see anything. Rita, you for wait now. Okay, say make Rita no do. Okay, wetin this person dey talk? She go nowhere, more shame and disgrace. I pray for her. Too much of everything is bad. Child from a pit, whether na pit toilet to mother. I'll put am on see the comment na self for my people. So let's take the next comment. This one say, oh yes, so Lady Felicia is a go. Una really believe say na Lady Felicia? Na that thing really dey, like, I wan know. This one they say Lady Felicia or Iyeki. Una believe say na because of Lady Felicia make Rita to go back to her. Now make Rita to go back to her hookup. Una believe am? Me, for me, I no believe am. If anybody still find her trouble now, she go still come out. Me no believe am. Maybe she just keep quiet because of family, or her husband say make she rest, or she just feel like, let me keep her quiet, make she not use my name build her page. Now wetin me see for inside 100% of this issue, not because Lady Felicia. Wetin me believe say Rita just leave her because she no want make Felicia use her name build her page. Now wetin me believe. Oh, so my people, una still drop una opinion. Everybody dey end your opinion. This world now, we dey free world, so you are free to end your opinion. Now wetin me believe. Me no believe say na because of Lady Felicia, because sorry to say, Lady Felicia, she be like me, she not to get word for mouth like that. She still dey talk small, just the way when me still dey talk. So me no believe say because of Lady Felicia na im make Rita run enter house. Na im make her go back to her hookup. Okay, let's take the next comment. This one say, what Lady Felicia cannot do does not exist. She be God. Wetin she dey fit do when not dey exist, my people? Una no vex so. Na so my mouth be. As my mouth be, na so I take dey use am dey talk. Wetin she no dey do wey no cannot exist. Na only God, what God cannot do, na wetin I believe, no be Lady Felicia. Okay. Okay, my people. So this next comment, Gina Gold. I need to call your name, Gina Gold. She has no picture. She can't go carry Rita mama picture come out.
Una see these two people, this one and this one. Now foul relative, like everybody hide the foul. I don't announce her now. Mona hide them.
Imagine wetin dem dey talk for old woman body. Say na foul old woman dey thief and old man dey thief. Imagine wetin this saga of a thing. Me know say una dey use am dey make money. Una still dey respect una sef na. Say old woman and old man, somebody grandfather say na foul e dey thief. Okay, wetin una be expect? Old woman, old man wey dey village or wey dey Benin, una be want make dem dey wear trouser? Now I wan know. Na trouser una be want make dem dey wear? Abi una be want make dem wear bun shorts? Nothing wey our Benin people no fit talk o, no fit break come out. This old woman now wanna carry come out, come dey show her maybe armpit or where. This one dey very bad now. Wetin, my people, wetin? This woman now, maybe she dey village, una go carry her, una carry come out, dey put different write off for old woman picture. E no good. Wetin no good, not good. Wetin good, good. E no good. Wetin I be expect for old woman? Una want make she dey use organic cream? Una want make she be dey use organic cream? Commenters, una dey support people. Una use una sense take dey support people. If person dey support, e go use e brain. E no go lost e brain just because you dey support. I know say some people dey love, when they love you, they can do anything. I know, but no be to bring una fit insult Rita, do Rita anything. No be old woman and old man. E no good, my people. Let's take the next comment. The next comment. So wetin cause it concern Vera for inside this issue now? We need the truth. Now Vera they talk to, so say they need the truth too. Then be the next comment. They come put children, Vera children and a Vera picture. Let's take the next comment, my people. Commenters and wahala. Oshoko be okay. They say happy bossing day. Hey. Say my Tafia people. They come put Esther picture. Whether they bulala Esther for eyes or I don't know do. They come put Esther picture. Where Esther for the cry, brought the rush. Now what? Let's take the next comment if anyone did. Comment where they see for this. Oh my God, though. Who can get this preaching hand now? My people, the comment and a lot of picture now did this comment. So most of the comments we I go like to bring comment. I go bring them if I go fit, because I don't believe say YouTube go allow all these comments, because all this one are bully. All this comment na bully. Una use write up take bully people. Una use picture take bully people. My people, this our commenters, I dey give una hand, because una dey get time well for person matter. Una dey get time to carry person matter well. Una dey fit carry person matter. Una go carry am put for una head. Una go dey fight person matter. Okay, My people, una fit even sit down one day like reason una sef like, okay, if I get this pro bread this person dey get today, this person go fit come out fight for you. Una don ever sit down reason that kind matter for una head wey God give una? Because the way una take dey carry person matter for head is too much. Our commenter is too much. Like, una go just see one person matter because maybe una like Mrs. M, una no like Mrs. L, una go just wan kill one person, make that person dey depressed. It's too bad. It's too bad. It's too bad. So my wonderful people, I go leave una because this video not to get, e no too get right, e no too get comments. So wetin dem just dey put na pictures, lolo picture, Rita mama picture, who again, Igwe, that is lolo husband, and and Esther tour show picture where she for get injury. Maybe na dem do am by themselves, or I no know, where she for get injury. Na wetin dem just dey pack dey put. So we no too get comment. And sorry, I no go fit show una this kind thing because YouTube no go allow am. If I show, that means na me dey bully people, not be dem wey do the thing. Na me dey bully. So my wonderful people, thank you everyone for watching. God bless you. Please don't forget to drop your opinion. We want to see una opinion of this Rita when stop saga, whether na because of lolo, whether na because of Monica lobolobo, or na because of Felicia make Rita hang up for saga, make her go back to her hookup. I would love to see una comment. I wan know. No say person no know something, e go like to know. Me, I want to know. So drop your comment. I would like to see your comment. And please, my amazing people, I beg, let's grow this channel together. Please subscribe to Commenters Analyzer TV on YouTube. Commenters Analyzer TV on YouTube. On Facebook, Commenters Session. See, they do me. Commenters Analyzer Session on Facebook. So my wonderful people, support me. Let's grow this channel. Subscription is free. You don't need to pay to subscribe. As you dey watch am, just touch that button that say subscribe. You subscribe, and later you touch it again on the notification bell, in case whenever I post a video, una will see our video. Thank you, my amazing people. God bless you. I love you from Hot Aproko News.